Hello guys, on today's video I'm gonna be showing you a quick solution for an issue causing your leak line to go black. I seeked for a similar tutorial on YouTube but I didn't find a single one. Maybe because the issue is not relied with the client itself. Now this solution worked for me very well and I hope that it will be the case for you too guys. With all that being said, let's dive in head first into our quick tutorial.
Now as you can see, the problem is causing my leak line to go partially black, and the solution is very simple. First of all, you're gonna have to go to the startup menu like this, and then you go to computer, right click, properties, and then you go to advanced system parameters, and then you click on parameters in the performances like this, and then you select the one causing the best performances, not the best appearance, like this one. And then we're gonna have to bring back the, if you want to keep the style of Windows 7 like this, and then you apply, and it's done. As simple as that. I hope you guys will enjoy this tutorial. Please leave a like and a subscribe, and see you guys on the next one.